admire was the YouTuber Jiang. She is a mukbang YouTuber. I got to know her while watching her on YouTube, and I will now introduce her characteristics. First, she has a lot of sympathy. There were times when she was poor too, so now with 8.45 million subscribers, she is working hard for the poor. So I admire she. For an example, she donates 3.50 million won every month to the orphanage, and before she volunteered and donated to people with mental disability. I can get a lot when I like her. I can get a lot of friends. Second, she has a good heart. She buys something for every fan she meets. So I want to meet her too. For example, when she's doing mukbang in Ama's Bin bubble tea, they met fans there, and she buy bubble tea and grip talk to them. I want to be like her because many people can like me. Last, she has a lot of great spirit for service. She is as good at serving as is of being compassion. I want to help them too. Participated in barbecue donation service, and she gave away 200 bowls of agabi jambon for free. I want to be like her because many people can admire me. In conclusion, the people who I admire is YouTuber Jiang. Because of this reason, thank you for listening to my presentation.